Raj. Good morning, sir. Dr. Bansal. Morning. Come in, please. Raj. Sir, actually, I have got a severe headache for a few days. It has been about 15 days now. Pain mostly occurs at night, just before I go to bed, at about 9. Dr. Bansal. Did you take medicine from somewhere? Raj. Not yet, though, I was thinking. Dr. Bansal. No illness must be taken lightly. 15 days is more than enough. 5 to 7 days period is acceptable. Anyways, now you at least made out that the headache occurs at the same time before going to bed. Raj. Well, initially I thought it might be cured itself, but now I am a bit scared. Due to irregularity in food habits, the illnesses which are known these days, I get horrified even thinking about those. Dr. Bansal. Not to worry. Leave it on me now. Let me know if in these 15 days, you had cold, cough, fever or any giddiness sort of. Raj. Yeah, I felt giddiness twice. It just got dark in front of eyes. Dr. Bansal. Breathe heavily. Don. Worry. I am writing a few medicines. Purchase from the medical store outside. Everything will be alright. Now you have to come after 2 days. Let us see the progress. Raj. That's fine, doctor.